Hey there, I'm your friendly neighborhood storyteller, and boy do I have a tale for you. It's about a little girl named, well, let's call her Lily. Lily was a bright-eyed, curious kid, but sometimes school made her feel like a fish trying to climb a tree.
Who can tell me the capital of France?
Lily's mind went blank. She felt like all the knowledge in the world was just out of reach.
I bet she doesn't even know what France is.
The other kids' giggles felt like tiny daggers. Lily's eyes started to well up with tears. She tried to shrink into her chair, wishing she could disappear.
I don't know.
But then, something magical happened. The teacher had an idea.
Lily, I have something special for you. It's called the Hat of AI.
As soon as the hat touched Lily's head, her eyes lit up like fireworks on the 4th of July.
Paris. The capital of France is Paris. And did you know it's called the City of Light?
Suddenly, Lily had all the knowledge in the universe at her fingertips.
Oh, and the Eiffel Tower was built for the 1889 World's Fair. It's 984 feet tall.
The other kids' jaws dropped. Even the teacher was amazed.
That's incredible, Lily.
From that day on, Lily realized that with the right tools, anyone can shine bright. And boy, did she shine.
Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance?
The other kids started asking Lily all sorts of questions, eager to learn from their new friend.
And did you know that the Great Wall of China is so long, it would take about 18 months to walk its entire length?
And so Lily's journey from confusion to confidence showed us all that a little help can go a long way. We don't have a magic AI hat, but we have AI on our mobile phones and computers, and the only difference is how we access the information. Think about it. AI in your pocket is the same as having the smartest person in the world at your beck and call. AI doesn't replace human intelligence. It simply allows humans equal access to all the human intelligence that has ever been conveyed. It's the most exciting technological achievement ever, and it will serve to allow humanity to evolve. Just the beginning.